So this is the Osmo Mobile 3. So this is something I've wanted for a long time, long time. So this is a phone gimbal. It helps make smoother shots, more cinematic type of film. So we just picked this up a few hours ago from Best Buy, and yeah, I'm doing an unboxing. Let's look at what we got. So this is the combo version, so it has the gimbal as well as some other goodies in here. So if we flip it up to the side, it will show us what we have in here. So we have, of course, the Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal, the Osmo carrying case, the Osmo grip tripod, power cable, which is USB-C, which is amazing. Thank you. Last generation was micro USB. And then it comes with the storage pouch, which I probably won't use all that much for the Mobile 3, but that's whatever. And then also comes with the wrist strap, which is nice to have in case you drop it. So yeah, the thing about the combo pack that I was really looking for was the tripod and the carrying case, because if I just bought the regular, just the gimbal, it'll come with the gimbal, the charging cable, and just the little soft pouch. But since this is something I'll be taking places, kind of want to get the hard shell cover case for that. And on the other side we have the DJI logo. So let's grab my knife. Here, it's just a regular knife, nothing fancy. So yeah, also something I missed is that there's an app to go along with it that will help you get the most out of using your Mobile 3, both on the Play Store and the Apple App Store. It also comes back with a 2-year warranty, accidental hardware damage coverage, water damage, and free 2-way shipping for any warranty needs, which is awesome. That's what I like to see. If you want to get one of these, I will leave a link to that below for you to click on and find that. Let's move around and open up this plastic wrap. You see we have a little sticker. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but we have a little sticker up here. I'm just gonna use that and cut through it. Open up the box. Come on. It's a very tight box. Ooh, but it's very nice cardboard, so very nice cardboard. Feels like a quality box. Feels like they actually care about their customers. So first thing we have is what I assume to be the hard case. And then we also have a separate white box here, which I assume would have some, probably the cable, the carrying strap, the tripod, and then looks like some paperwork as well. So let's put this off to the side and focus on this box first. So this is an oddly packaged box. If we look at it, it has some stuff here, some tabs there. How in the world do I open this? Wow, this is the most confusing box. Ah, I got it. Okay, so in here, looks like in the one compartment we have the tripod. Ah, the cable is in there. And then we have our USB-C to USB-A cable here. It doesn't feel like it's super high Well, it doesn't feel like it's cheap, but it's also nothing fancy. Then in our other compartment, we have the wrist strap and, if I can get it out, the carrying bag. Anything else? And that is all for these boxes. If I open up the other side as well, you can... Oh, that's really cool. I love that. Anyway, if we open it up, we have a quick startup guide, a warranty card, safety and guidelines. These are really skinny books. Kinda digging it. Good job, DJI. Really quality unboxing. I'm digging it. I'm definitely digging it. This is probably the nicest unboxing I've had of a product that's not an Apple product. Because Apple has definitely figured out how to do a nice unboxing. Okay, let's open up the tripod. So nice translucent bag. Ooh. There's some nice texture on this. The hinges are nice and smooth. Oh. Very, very nice. You can see we have the DJI logo on every leg. And wow, these, whew, this is a nice hinge. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but these are some nice hinges. Smooth, you'll just have to try it. Amazing hinge. A+ on that, DJI. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. We're gonna move on to our bag. Very soft bag. Put that garbage away. Well, I can tell you I'm definitely not gonna use this bag for the Mobile 3, but probably for someone else. But anyway, it says Osmo and DJI right on the front in nice, actually a really nice printing job on here. It's a very soft bag, very soft on the inside. Drawstrings, which is super nice. Definitely not going to use it for the Mobile 3, but I'm sure I will use this for something else along the line. Cable. Decently long cable, actually. I'd say slightly less than a meter, 3 feet. 3 feet, I'd say. Nice 3-foot cable. It doesn't seem like a super high quality cable, but it also doesn't seem like a super cheap cable. I would have liked to see a slightly nicer quality cable, possibly braided. I'd pay an extra $5 on this just to get like a nice braided cable. Heck, I'd even pay an extra $10 on this to get a nice braided cable. I think you could have done a little bit better there, DJI, but you know, apart from that, super nice unboxing. It's looking good. So now, the moment you've all been waiting for. This, it should be the product itself. So let's open up that bag. Oh man, that's a nice case. Wow, this is a really nice case. So, wow. So it feels like, you know, feels just kind of like the same material your backpack would be made out of, I guess would be the best way to describe this. Feels just the same as your backpack with some nice printing on the logo. It says Osmo and DJI on it. They like to put the branding everywhere. Nice wrist strap here on the top right corner, which is awesome. Flipping it around, we have this nice pouch. I'm not sure what the pouch itself is made out of, but nice elastic. So, you know, whatever you put in there is not falling out, like say. I mean, not that I would carry my knife in here, but that's not going anywhere. Yeah, that ain't going anywhere. That knife is staying put. I mean, more realistically, it's probably like your charging cable going in there. Yeah, that's not budging. That not going anywhere. So that's pretty high quality. So good job there, DJI. I'm looking forward to it. Oh, this zipper is nice. Of course, DJI branded, so. But yeah, nice high quality. Ooh, that zipper. That's nice. Okay, ready? I'm seeing this for the first time just like you. Let's open it up. This looks so nice. Wow, it's actually a lot lighter than I expected. We've got some nice silica gel for snacks later. Just kidding, don't eat silica gel. You'll probably die. And then we have some padding in here. It's, yeah, nothing special, just some padding that's probably going to be, I'm probably just going to end up taking out because it doesn't look great in here. Underneath it though, we have a nice soft, like microfiber feel type cloth in here, so that's nice. And then we have, we have the Mobile 3 itself here. You can see it has the standard mount tread there. Here's some instructions. Osmo Mobile 3. Activate the Osmo Mobile 3 when using it for the first time by following these steps in the DJI Mimo app. Cool. Well, if we fold it open, we see we have a trigger here, as well as some sort of switch here. We'll figure out what that does later. And then folding it back down. Come on, folding it back. Come on. It's really particular about which way it folds. Okay. Folding it back down. I said folding it back down. Ah. That's something to get used to. That's something I have to get used to. Anyways, folding it back down, we have a joystick here, a record button, and a mode button here. I believe the mode button is also the power button. Flipping it over to the side, we have a USB-C, and then under this little flap here, we have a USB-A out. So this would be so you could charge your phone at the same time. Don't think I'm ever going to use that feature. Unfortunately, you cannot output any power through the USB-C. This is purely input for charging the device. But yeah, see if there's any juice in this. Oh, there is. Wow. Let's fold this down. Folds down really nicely, actually. Oh, and then that snaps in. There's like a little snapping mechanism here, so I can snap it in like that. So that's awesome. Well, there is the initial unboxing of the DJI Mobile 3. Come back next week and I will have the full review and setting up of this device. I hope to see you there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, the other button seems to work nice as well. If you really liked it, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I do lots of, well, I try and do as much of this kind of stuff as I can. There's also some other videos out there that I think you should check out. Another review video that I made was the Phone Rebel case review. If you want that, that'll be linked in the iCard up in the top right corner. And I hope to see you next time.